Hey friends, Kevin Oste here at the V8 Speed and Resto shop with a quick "What are you in for?" video. This time, a 66 Coronet 500 convertible. We just brought in this very cool 1966 Dodge Coronet convertible. It's got a pretty neat story and a couple of very cool details we wanted to share with you. One is the story on this car. So our customers' parents had one of these brand new back in '66. And a few years ago, they wanted to recapture some of those memories. So they found this car. This is not their original, but it's basically a direct replacement. And over the years, our customer has ended up with the car from her parents, and they want to get it back on the road and dialed in so that they can enjoy it. And they have younger children who are both interested in driving this car as well. So it's truly a legacy, family heirloom type of vehicle. It's got a 383 under the hood with an automatic transmission, bucket seat interior. But one of the coolest details is found under the hood, right behind the driver's side headlight on a lot of these 66 and 67 Dodge, Chrysler, Plymouth cars. And that's a little thing found in a slot called a Certicard. A Certicard is a thing that the dealer used to keep track of the car for warranty purposes. It's got the VIN. It also has the build date of the car, which in this case was May 17th of '66. It has the delivery date when it was first sold of October of '66. But it also has the original owner's name and the dealership where it was sold. So this one looks like the gentleman's name was Richard Mosier, maybe, and it was in Richardson, Texas, where this thing was originally delivered. So I don't know if this gentleman is still around. You know that I'm going to try and find him and give him a call for sure. There's also color codes on this so that we know that this car was originally saddle beige, saddle tan with a tan interior. So it's been repainted, and there are some non-original elements on the car. The 383 is now fueled by a fast, easy EFI system, and it's got an upgraded ignition and an aluminum radiator. Inside, they added some aftermarket bucket seats and a few things, but a very cool car. And when you find a Certicard, it's pretty unusual, especially if the Certicard VIN matches the VIN of the actual car, which in our case, it does. So if you ever find one of these things laying around, you might want to reach out to some Mopar groups or put it up on eBay, because if you find one that's got a VIN and somebody has the car, they're going to want to keep this with it. Anyway, just kind of a neat little detail we found here at the V8 Speed and Resto shop on this cool '66 Coronet convertible.